Start your pull-up under your bar and get into your active hang position. Make sure your lats are nice and strong and your chest is up tall as you pull yourself over the bar. Refrain from using momentum so that you're using your lats and your biceps while keeping your core strong. Lower yourself with control. Repeat with good form through all programmed repetitions. The pull-up is a powerful fundamental movement that teaches us how to use our lats and keep our core trained while managing our body weight hanging from a bar. It's a challenging exercise, but all you need is a bar and gravity. Let's get after it. So we start our pull-up under the bar. She's gonna hop up and get a strong grip right outside of her shoulder blades, and then she's gonna pull herself up without using momentum, but using her lats behind her and her biceps. She's keeping her core engaged so her back's not arching too far, and she's fighting gravity on the way down, staying in control the whole time. Excellent pull-ups, Katie. That's what I'm talking about.